if there's something you should know, I've had a past life, but don't go, 'cause there's something in the present right now. No, no, no. If there's something you should know, well, it's not that big to fret about. I may have danced to an unfamiliar notes. No, no, no. Ooh, there's not something in the present right now. Don't worry, there's nothing in the moment for you. Ooh, 'cause there's not something somewhere else right now. Oh, if there's something you should know, or if there's somewhere you should go, well, I may have it in the moment right now. Yeah. But I gotta let you know, it's not why we have it all right now. I may have danced to an unfamiliar step. No, no, no. Ooh, there's not something in the present right now. There's my something somewhere else right now. Ooh, ooh, 'cause no, if something isn't new, I've danced to old familiar you. Yeah. Because there's something hasn't happened right now. And if there's something that you knew, it wouldn't happen in the moment for you. I may dance to an unfamiliar step. No, no, no. Ooh, don't worry, there's not something in the moment right now. No, no, oh, 'cause there's not something somewhere else right now.
In waters deep, and still she floats. Her presence so divine. Her skin so smooth, her aura calm. Just living life so fine. She never stressed about the mess around her in the pool. While others judge, she just exists, unbothered, calm and cool. Ask not what moving can do for you. What can she do for you? But what you can do for moving. Her moisturized philosophy has changed my whole worldview. Ask not what moving can do for you, but what you can do for moving. Her moisturized philosophy has changed my whole worldview. Ask not what moving can do for you. What can she do for you? But what you can do for moving. No drama phases this queen bee. She's staying in her lane. While others splash and make a fuss, she keeps her soul unchanged, living her best life, moisturized and right, teaching us all how to be in our own spotlight. In our own spotlight. No drama phases this queen.